Hello guys, so I'm just gonna show you real quick how to make some windshield wiper soap or fluid. So I'm just using like 2 spoons of this one right here, and we're gonna use half of this, I believe, something like this. You could get this at a CVS. It's for like traveling. And then I guess you put more water in here or something like that. I guess that's enough right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put more water inside of here. You can pretty much see the water with this soap right here. This is the one I'm using. So just these 2. This is for those who live where it's hotter, your stuff don't freeze. So yeah, these are the items that you're gonna need. This is just a gallon thingy I found. And then this right here, and that, and just a couple spoons of this, and half of this. And you can still see it because this stuff is green anyway. So yeah, I'm gonna add this to my car. I ran out.